Hi and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 67 registered Mini Cooper Diesel Convertible. Now this is a lovely car, it finished in a wonderful colour. Colour's called Caribbean Aqua Metallic, and I must admit what a fantastic looking vehicle this is. Now a 67 plate, so it's the newer model, and as I say, the colour is just wonderful. It does remind you of a Caribbean Sea, doesn't it? Very, very nice. Sat on the 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Now this particular vehicle has the chili pack as well, so that's a very, very nice option, costing over £3,000 when it was new. It's also got the reversing camera, so very easy to maintain and reverse and drive and own. Car itself comes with a great service history. There's 3 services there with it, 2 at Mini and then 1 at an independent garage. But you can tell the car's been really, really looked after well. Down the sides we've got no trolley dents whatsoever. The wheels are all in exceptional condition, being the 17-inch wheel. They drive and ride really nice. Now this particular one, I do like those multi-spokes. On the Caribbean Blue, I must admit it looks great. Now coming round to the rear, the reversing camera, you've got the nice black trim there on the centre of the number plate. Designated with Cooper Diesel. Reversing sensors as well as the reversing camera. So yeah, limited view maybe once the roof's up, that's the reason they do that. Looking down the driver's side again, that is free from trolley dent, any mark. We've got 2 keys with it. We've got everything that was supplied to the first owner is here today with it, which is always very, very nice, isn't it? You know then you've got a car that somebody else has cherished as much as you're going to cherish it. As we'll venture into the car, now the chili pack comes with the half leather seats, and they're the sports seats, so you can adjust the bases for touring, so it sits up behind the back of your legs and supports them. Inside we get the black interior with the trims all in high gloss black finish, 4 electric windows, remote central locking. We get the nice aluminium trim plate on the door sills. We got automatic headlamps, that's part of a chili pack, automatic wipers, onboard computer, speed limiter, cruise control are all on the steering wheel. It's a keyless start, so the keys are in a pocket. Just press the button down there and then it just jumps into life. Wipers, onboard computer. The car itself then has the digital climate control. I've got the air conditioning on, I can tell you it's ice cold in here even though I've got the roof off. And then we've got the sport button here. Now we can change that then and we can adjust the car according to how we want to drive. I'm just pressing the button as I go through it. Go-kart mode. So that just changes the car, and then again changes the ring and the colour of that around the centre console. The car's done 48,429 miles, and as you can see there, it's given us an average of 51.2 miles to the gallon at 32 miles an hour. So a bit of motorway work there, but 6-speed manual transmission allows you to do that. Very short first and second gear, and then you get a large gear at number 6. Both keys are here for it, so we've got 2 keys as well, which is great. Auxiliary and Bluetooth down there, just turn the radio down, and then the function of the system is here. So if we went to menu, that will then bring the screen up. Just quickly show you the service history on the vehicle. Everybody always wants to know that. I've labelled it in the words as well because the last service wasn't done by the official dealer and thus he didn't have the availability to put it on the computer. But as you can see there, the first service in April 19 at 18,083, and that was engine oil and air filter. The second one, as the car's serviced on demand on a Mini, that was a brake fluid service. And then the third service was done, and there's an image of that on our website, and that was done by the independent VAT garage. Graphite style interior detail, as well as the driver's and passenger seats are in A1 perfect order. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last owner was not a smoker either. It's a power roof on a Mini, so we can just press the button and it closes. You can have it half open like a sunroof as well. Very, very rare do people sit in the back of a Mini, but this is no exception. Lovely seats. We do have Isofix, so if you do have a baby chair, we do also have the 60-40 split rear seat on those as well, so if you want to load through from the boot you can do. Mentioning the boot, when we're looking there, We get the same size boot as we would in a standard Mini. You've got these easy load, and that if you release those, you can just lift the rear roof up slightly to get something larger, and as you can see there, the split folding rear seat. They're in the lockdown position. But yes, what a lovely car. On a day like today in 30-degree heat, the roof off, driving to work, driving home from work, playing your favourite tunes, driving a Mini diesel which is giving you over 50 miles to the gallon. It's the future. It has to be. Thinking about the cost of living, the cost of driving, you need to be a minimum now over 50 miles to the gallon just to sort of not feel the pinch. Anyway, that besides, you can reserve this with a £250 fully refundable deposit. Wakey wakey, yes, we will refund the deposit if when you arrive at Wigan the car isn't for you. What we will do then is we'll prepare it to the highest of standards, so you only have to visit us here once, and at that point you can drive away the same day. If you need finance, give us a call, we'll give you a quote there over the phone, we'll send you a secure portal once that's all accepted. If you've got part exchange, we can do all that in the same manner. We'll take anything in part exchange as long as it's got wheels and an MOT. So have a look on our Auto Trader, have a look on our Facebook, have a look on our Google reviews. You'll see customers from all over the country there, who've verified customers who've purchased the car from us, and also then take a look on our Facebook page. You'll see lots of customers again collecting cars from us. But as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.